All across America, homeowners are in need of help. With busy lives and busy families, getting organized can feel impossible. We're sisters and owners of HomeSort, and together with M-Design, we've built our mission and our business on helping homeowners get back to the things they love most. From creating systems to parting ways with junk, each episode we're transforming one client's space from chaos to clutter-free, creating jaw-dropping solutions in every room. Goodbye clutter, hello fresh start.
It's time to sort it out. Every space needs a good system to function properly.
Yes, and a good system is what keeps a space organized over the long haul.
Yeah. Justin and Whitney are such a sweet little family unit.
Yeah.
They live out on a farm.
And she's a designer and he runs a shipping and receiving company, and their home matters so much to them.
It does.
And so we want to really give them a huge organizing transformation.
Yeah.
I'm Whitney.
And I'm Justin.
We bought this house about 6 years ago. Justin grew up on essentially a cattle ranch, is what I like to call it, with cows in his backyard and on acreage. I'm from a beach town.
We have goats, chickens, cats, dogs,
Yeah. And
all the farm animals.
hoping for some ducks.
Someday.
Yeah.
Whitney's a designer, and so there's so many beautiful details to their home, but then you go into the closet and it doesn't match the other parts of the home. You're like, oh.
That's where you go to every single morning to get ready for your day. So it really actually sets your day off on a wrong foot, and we want to fix that for them. Okay, let's talk about what's happening in this closet.
Let's open up some cabinets.
All right. Okay, we've got some bags up there, just kind of
It's
thrown in.
Let's
We're
think about
gonna
that.
solve that problem.
Yeah.
What is this?
Oh gosh.
Okay.
Oh, it's actually kind of heavy.
What is?
What?
Okay, we've
I
got a
don't know what
rug.
that is. That's a rug. I don't know that this belongs in a closet. What do you
Yeah,
think?
I think that sometimes people put things in places because they don't have another option. But I'm wondering if we can pull this stuff out and rehome it, because I really think we're gonna need this space.
I agree.
There's one certain area that has some interesting outfits. I think there's a Santa suit.
Yeah.
There might be some crazy slippers. I feel like there's like a weird poncho.
There's a couple of ponchos.
Oh, well, great. A couple of ponchos.
What do we
All
got
right,
here?
hot
Ooh, I just put that
top
on.
of the morning to ya.
So this is clearly apparently the costume section.
Okay, we got a lot
Bunny
happening.
ears.
The bunny costume, right? My only goal for today is that you put this on.
Yeah, there's a lot. Does this
of
compliment
things.
my
Yeah,
outfit? My home sort outfit?
No, it doesn't. We've got magazines, so we got to solve that problem. It's like what sits out is what creates this the feel of the space, and all this hang space is really stuffed and it's really packed, and so I understand why they're frustrated in the morning when they're trying to get dressed.
There's so much visual clutter
Yeah,
too.
so much visual clutter. So I think that we need to give some breathing room here.
Oh gosh!
Whoopsie daisies. This is all dead space that we definitely need to maximize. We've got shoes here. Yeah. We actually have shoes here, and we have shoes all over the floor and underneath the hanging area. So can you imagine needing to find one pair of shoes and having to search 3 different places for them and not know where anything is?
Yeah.
We've got to solve that.
Let's give her that good storage solutions that we know M-Design has.
Okay. So we've just seen the space, and now we're going to go tell Justin and Whitney the game plan. Okay, we've been in the closet, and I think that we have a pretty good plan.
Yeah.
Okay, so a couple things that we think would make a huge difference is, number one, I think that we need to look at all of your shoes.
Yeah.
You have a lot of shoes, which we're on board with.
Yeah, we love it.
We love it, but I think that we need to look at what you wear all the time and what you only access like occasionally.
Yeah, let's talk about the craft stuff. What about maybe rehoming that? Is that something you'd be interested in?
Yeah, I mean, I think that'd be great. It takes up a lot of space, so that's a good idea.
Okay.
And then our final thought is, do we have free reign to do whatever we want to do in your closet?
Yes.
Do you trust us?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I think it's time to go.
Awesome.
All right. Oh, I'm so excited. So we have a closet that needs some serious home sort help.
Yeah. We have a
costume situation in here also.
The client likes his costumes. It's a whole thing.
We got to get started. I need you girls to go get product. I'm going to have you guys go in and start emptying out. Let's get the crafts out. And I think we're ready to go.
Let's do this.
All right, let's go. We're going to have to empty this space.
Oh, we're gonna.
If they emptied it on their own, they would be overwhelmed and they'd quit.
Yeah.
So we're gonna empty it and take care of that.
Yeah. We need to bring everything out so we can see what we have and see the space clearly.
Yes. And we need to figure out, once we sort and categorize all the items, then we can decide where we're gonna place everything in the closet. And we're gonna make some decisions about things that we have hung, things that are folded, and really figure out what works best.
That's good. When you take everything out, there's like a mountain of clothes. It can be totally overwhelming. So I saw Madison in the room trying to make sense of everything.
She was drowning in the clothes.
So I went in to help give her some direction and rescue her, to be honest. Madison, where are you?
Yes, I'm here.
Oh my
You
gosh.
found me in the
Wow. There's a lot happening in here. Okay.
Yeah.
So clearly we unloaded everything from the closet into the guest room. And it's a lot.
It's a lot of clothes.
So our next move is we need to sort and categorize.
Okay.
Cardigans together. Here we have a tank top
tops.
mixed in with a sweater. We don't need that.
Yeah.
Let's make sure all tank tops are together. Let's do it by like items.
Okay.
So like I said, like blouses together, t-shirts, because color looks really pretty, but it really is not functional.
Yeah.
So let's give them like the closet that is stylish and functional. And that starts with sorting and categorizing.
Perfect.
You're on it. I'm
Yes.
out of here to go have fun.
Thank you.
This organizing's kind of a lot and I could use a break. Okay. Why don't we go check out the goats?
Okay, they keep talking about their farm animals, and so I'm like, we have to come see these goats. There's, oh my gosh, look at the teeth. Oh gosh, don't bite me though.
Is this like, I don't know what goat etiquette is.
What kind of closet systems you got back there, goats?
We organized in here?
So cute. I mean, their eyes are a little weird. I'm gonna be honest,
I'm
some
not
weird things
into
about
it.
the goats, but I like them. Bye, you guys, we're done here. Apparently we're boring to goats.
I know, let's go see the chickens.
Okay, let's go and see the chickens.
This is free range, guys. Brady, heck no, I'm not going in there.
Yeah, just go in for 1 second. Oh.
No.
Let me take us. Oh, here we go. Okay, come on.
Brady, I know.
Well, this plan wasn't that great, so we should probably go back to what we're good at, organizing.
So we were digging through all of these shoes with Whitney, and we really needed to decide what she wanted to keep, what she wanted to donate, and what she actually wears all the time. And now we are on shoe duty.
Yeah.
So isn't it like eye-opening when you see everything all out?
Fun. This is a fun
Ryan
job.
thinks it's like hand-me-down time for her. She's excited. My eyes are seeing a lot of cowboy boots.
Yeah.
Let's pull all these out and make some decisions there.
Okay.
Loving this red fur.
Those are my fun slippers.
I think we could right now put sandals up high and then
Yeah.
we can rotate when the seasons change. I think that's really good.
idea.
That actually hurts. It's just like throwing your shoes at me. So happy about it.
Well, there's still a few more pairs to go through, but we've made really good headway.
Yeah.
We'll keep going, and then
Yeah.
you're just gonna die when you see what we do with all these piles in your closet. You're gonna freak out.
Hey.
Now that we've taken everything out, it's time to put stuff back in, and I know just the right M Design products that are gonna make this space perfect for them. Okay, we gotta do something about the shoes.
I'm obsessed with these hinged lid bins from M Design. So I love it. You can see what's in them. They stack, so we're gonna be able to use all the space and stack
Yeah.
our shoes up.
I love it.
What I really like about these is your shoes stay clean and they stay protected. She
Yeah.
has some really nice shoes. She has some really nice items. The nice things stay nice. The dirty things don't get anything else
Yeah.
dirty. So it's a perfect solution. So Whitney and Justin are headed home, and our team is putting on the final touches to the space, and we cannot wait to see their reaction.
Oh my gosh, knowing that our space is gonna be transformed is amazing. I
Really
feel so lucky and just blessed. We're just excited.
Yeah.
Really excited.
Well, guys, look at your new
Come on
organized closet.
It's better than I could have ever imagined it.
It's
so
incredible.
excited.
Yeah, I can't believe it. Yeah,
It's awesome.
really stoked.
This is amazing. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
So
Gosh.
this one got me.
Yes.
Gosh.
Shoes. We call your closet the essentials.
Yep.
Yes.
Just what you need
Yeah.
and nothing more. So in here was the craft section.
Yes.
We talked about that needed to go. Let me show you what we did. We've got bins with PJs in them, which is just like a drawer that you can pull out.
And even if you just toss your pajamas in here, they
Yeah.
still look good
Yeah.
because they're in a beautiful basket.
Yeah. So we hid the costumes, but in exchange, we brought out some of your pieces that we just want to display that were stuffed in a cabinet. And these hats on the side of your closet with hooks are perfect
They look so
because
good.
they look good. Your hats aren't getting smashed. I know that all the time in design, you talk about a space needing a moment. You were the first one who said that word like that.
Yes.
And so I feel like over here around your really organized jewelry, we try to create a moment.
It's beautiful.
And these were previously filing cabinets.
Yes.
We took out the hardware and we've just made them to be regular drawers.
Oh my gosh.
So these
Oh my
are large,
gosh.
so we just laid them down.
Oh my god.
And then for the rest of your bags, it's really great.
I
'cause your
love
house-
how they're like out
Yeah.
like this.
Yes.
It's so cute.
We kind of have them all over. We've got bags there. We've got bags right when you walk in, and because we've got to use all the
Yeah.
space.
We always say we're about function and style.
Yeah.
We bring the function, you bring the
I'm
style.
gonna cry, you
Wonderful.
guys. This is so like I knew it was gonna be amazing, but this is beyond. Thank you guys.
You're so
really.
Okay, we have to double back to something really quick because one of the items we were most excited about using was the stackable hinge lidded bins.
Oh,
and so,
yes.
and I just want to show you guys more of your everyday things are up there.
Yeah,
but then
easy
it's
to
like we've used all the space by stacking acrylic bins and they look so good.
I'm obsessed with these bins.
They just add that luxurious touch.
They do. It makes me feel fancy.
You are fancy. Yeah.
You are.
This is amazing. I feel like it's like a boutique.
Yes,
I'm
you
like,
come have a
oh.
seat in your closet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you gave us permission. How does this feel and how does it help you with being able to do all the things that matter most to you?
It's amazing, especially our lives are so hectic. This is just one less thing that we have to worry about. We have more time in the mornings getting ready. We have all these animals out there to feed, and it's just really helpful with our morning routine. I can actually find things that I want to wear.
Yeah.
You guys are awesome, and we just appreciate you so much.
Oh my gosh, thank you for letting us come.
Does it feel like good and finished and complete?
Yes,
does.
it's like
Yeah.
the frosting on the cake, the finishing
That's
touch.
right.
It's awesome.
The house is done. All right, well, I think we're done here.
I think we're done.
We're gonna
So
go.
Thank you.
But I feel like maybe we can end with a group hug.
Yay! Thank you guys.
Well, what a pleasure it has been to
Yeah.
bring a system and some design into this beautiful closet for two beautiful people.
Yeah, for sure. It was a job well done.
Yeah.